landscape, how do you define wellness beyond physical fitness?
Yes, I think the other girls have already answered that. Of course, emotional, physical, spiritually, we have to take care of ourselves. Because us as humans, kapag may iniisip tayo, kapag may problema tayo, let's say, malakas naman tayo physically, but if may iniisip tayo, it also affects every aspects of our body and also with our life. And sometimes, to be honest, I'm out of myself when I'm dealing with my binibinis. Of course, we do have our own personal problems and stuff, but then I try to separate that from me dealing with them and also with that personal problem. So, joke. So, ayun, I always wanted to make sure that I do my best, even if I'm not okay. And with the help of the sponsors, of course, with Psychoskin, my daily collagen, they help us to be healthy, kahit na pagod, puyat, ano pa ba? Ayun nga, lahat ng pagod. And we always wanted to make sure that we do our best and palagi kaming pretty sa harap ng maraming tao. And ayun, last activity we did the High Rocks in which we all enjoyed, of course. Pickleball po sunod. Ayun po, that's how we make sure that we are all physically active and also other aspects of our lives. And yeah.
Thank you very much, Bini Bini.